आज का जो वीडियो है वो हर्बल ड्रग टेक्नोलॉजी से है और ये पार्ट 3 है। पार्ट 2 और पार्ट 1 जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है, तो आप वहां से भी देख सकते हैं। इसमें चलिए अब देखते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 101 क्वेश्चन नंबर है। शेड्यूल जेड जो होता है वो किस में आता है? The answer is A, Drug and Cosmetic Act. Okay. Next question number is 102 question number. Okay. DCC belongs to, जो DDC and DCC जो है वो किसमें belongs करता है? आयुर्वेदिक, सिद्धा और यूनानी सिस्टम में। The answer is D. Okay. Next question number is 103 question number. Drug and Cosmetic Acts name in, जो ड्रग्स है और कॉस्मेटिक एक्ट्स है वो किसमें है? वो 1940 में है। आंसर जो होगा वो क्या होगा? बी। ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज CDSCU मींस, CDSCU मींस क्या होता है? द आंसर इज बी, सेंट्रल ड्रग स्टैंडर्ड कंट्रोल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। आंसर इज बी। ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज GMP मींस क्या होता है? गुड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग practice. The answer is B, good manufacturing practice. Okay. Next question number is 106 question number. Components of GMP includes. The answer is all. D. A is training staff. B is quality control of finished product and C is quality control of raw materials. Okay. Next question number is 107 question number. GMP part I includes. The answer is D, all. A is general requirement and B is warehousing area and C is personal. Okay, answer is D. Next question number is 108 question number. Consolidated components of GMP includes. The answer is D, all. A is quality control, B is sanitation and C is premises. Answer is D. Okay. Next question number is 109 question number. क्वारंटाइन इंक्लूड्स, क्वारंटाइन जो होता है किसमें इंक्लूड्स होता है? द आंसर इज स्टोरेज ऑफ फिनिश्ड गुड्स। ओके, गुड। द आंसर इज ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 110 क्वेश्चन नंबर। पार्ट 2 ऑफ GMP इंक्लूड्स, जो पार्ट 2 है वो GMP इंक्लूड्स जो होता है वो किसमें होता है? SOPS। ओके, SOPS में। द आंसर इज ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 111 क्वेश्चन नंबर। There should be blank square feet area of quality control section. इसका जो आंसर होगा there should be 150 square feet area of quality control section. The answer is B. Okay. Next question number is 112 question number. Okay. Machinery required for the manufacturing of medicine comes under, किसके अंडर आता है? पार्ट 2 के अंडर। The answer is B. Okay. Next question number is 113 question number. Capsule requires pulverizers. Okay. The answer is A. Next question number is 114 question number. Kajal requires blank for collection. The answer is earthen lamp. Kajal requires earthen lamp for collection. Okay. Next question number is 115 question number. Primary processing includes. The answer is D, all. All. A is garbling, B is washing and C is drying. Okay. Next is 116 question number. Secondary processing steps include, and the answer is D, all. A is roasting, B is boiling and C is steaming. Okay. The answer is D. Okay. Next question number is 117 question number. A special processing which is used to treat selected herbs. The answer is D, all. A is to reduce toxicity, B is to modify their therapeutic activity and C is improve the purity. Okay, इसको improve कर रहा है purity को। The answer is D. Next is 118 question number. Which of the following is an organic farming practice that help to maintain soil health? The answer is A, crop rotation. The answer is A, crop rotation. Okay. Next question number is 119 question number. Organic farming is important because. The answer is D, all of the above. ऊपर का सभी होगा। A is no harmful chemical used. B is it increases soil structure and C is it is less harmful to environment. Okay. Next question number is 120. Question number, living organism like Bacillus thuringiensis, which is used for to control caterpillar. किसको control कर रहा है? Caterpillar को. The answer is A. And next is 121 question number, parentherins derived from. The answer is B. Charanthemum cinearifolium. Okay. The answer is B. Okay. Next question number is 122 question number. Along with the use of pesticides, organic pest control also utilized. The answer is D. All. A is biological control, B is cultural control, and C is genetic control. Okay. Next question number is 123 question number. Physical method is for pest control includes low temperature. The answer is B. Low temperature. Okay. Next is 124 question number. Biopesticide includes the D is the answer. A all of the above. A is biofungicides, B is bioherbicides, and C is bioinsecticide. The answer is D. Okay, all of the above. Next is 125 question number. ट्राइकोडर्मा इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ, जो ट्राइकोडर्मा है उसका एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा? बायोफंगिसाइड्स. आंसर इज ए. नेक्स्ट इज व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द क्लोजेस्ट closest English translation of the Sanskrit word Ayurveda? The answer is science of life. The answer is science of life. Next is 127 question number. Ayurveda recognize 5 essential elements of nature. Air, earth, fire, water are 4 of them. Which of the fifth element, जो fifth element है वो क्या है? Space. The answer is C, space. Okay. Next is 128 question number. Each of the 5 Ayurveda element can be paired up with another to form one of 3 biological humors or dosas that affect all aspects of the human mind and body. Which of the following is not one of the 3 doses? The answer is D, mind. Okay, the answer is D, mind. Okay. Next is 129 question number. The Ayurvedic classification system of physiological component of the human beings was curve and also fall in. The answer is D, Siddha. Okay. Next question number is 130 question number. Who introduced the Unani system of medicine to India? Arabs. The answer is D, Arabs. Okay. Next is 131 question number. What does the Arabic term of Unani means? The answer is B, Greek. Answer is B, Greek. Next is 132 question number. The Unani system of medicine is based on the teaching of Hippocrates. Hippocrates. The answer is C. Okay. Next is 133 question number. Out of the 3 basic doses in Ayurveda, the Pitta dosa is linked to which of the following 5 classical elements? The answer is A, fire. Okay. Next is 134 question number. Trigunas are sattva, rajas, and tamas. The answer is A. Okay. The next question number is 135 question number. Mamsa dhatu means muscle tissue. Mamsa dhatu means muscle tissue. The answer is C. Next is 136 question number. Which dhatu support the asthi dhatu? The answer is meda dhatu. The answer is B, meda dhatu. Next is 137 question number. Mamsa dhatu supports which dhatu? The answer is meda dhatu. Meda dhatu. Okay, the answer is A. Next is 138 question number. Various waste product of the food known as malas. The answer is A, malas. Okay. Next is 139 question number. According to Ayurveda, there are blank type of Agni in the body. The answer is 13 type of अग्नि इन द बॉडी. ओके, 13 टाइप यानी कि ए इज द आंसर. 140 क्वेश्चन नंबर, which flowing agni is most important in our body? The answer is C, jat. Okay. Next is 141 question number. In Siddha system of medicine, sense organ are known as pori. The answer is A, pori. Okay. Next is 142 question number. In Siddha system in medicine, function of the sense organ are known as. The answer is pollen. The answer is pollen. इसमें देखिए इसमें फंक्शंस दिया हुआ है और इसमें सेंस दिया हुआ है ना. इसको देख लीजिएगा. द आंसर इज बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 143 क्वेश्चन नंबर. इन नॉर्मल कंडीशन द रेशियो बिटवीन वेनम, पीथम एंड कवम. द आंसर इज ए, 4:2:1. द आंसर इज ए. ओके. Next is 144 question number. In Siddha system, air related to which organ? The answer is C, skin. Okay, skin. Next is 145 question number. In Siddha system of medicine, Kaya Karapam involve studies of. The answer is D, all. Moligai Karpam, B is Thatu and Seva Karpam, and C is Yoga Karpam. Answer is D. Okay. Next is 146 question number. In Siddha system of medicine, Moligai Karpam means. Answer, deals with drug of plant origin. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 147 question number. In Siddha system of medicine, Thatu and Seva Karpam means. The answer is deals with mineral and animal product. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 148 question number. In Siddha system medicine, approach to disease called neonatal. The answer is A, neonatal. The next question number is 149 question number. In Siddha system of medicine, determination of etiology of the disease called B, neomodal natal. The answer is B, neomodal natal. Okay. Next is 150 question number. In Siddha system medicine consists of the 8 criteria for physical examination is called. The answer is C, Iwagi Theru. Iwagi Theru. The answer is C. Okay. Please सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए. ठीक है, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है. और शेयर भी जरूर करना है प्लीज. और कमेंट और लाइक जरूर कीजिए, तभी हमको पता चलेगा ना कि आप देख रहे हैं नहीं देख रहे हैं ना. और हमेशा खुश रहिए, हमेशा खुश रहिए और दूसरों को भी खुश रखिए. ठीक है, तब तक के लिए बाय. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में मिलते हैं. ये थर्ड पार्ट है, फोर्थ पार्ट में मिलते हैं. बस फोर्थ पार्ट तक है आपका कंप्लीटेड हो जाएगा हर्बल ड्रग टेक्नोलॉजी का एमसीक्यू. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए बाय.